Okay, this will be the last video for Chapter 7, and then you guys can start that Chapter 7 test. Okay, the first things we're going to do is just figure out which graph this is. Okay, if you have an x squared plus a y squared and there's no fractions, and this is like a perfect square, this is going to be a circle. So we're looking for a graph with a circle on it, and this will be a line. A circle and the line, the answer will be B. Okay, this is a parabola in the x direction, and this is a line. Parabola and line will give me C. Now we're just going to solve these two problems. Okay, this one I'm going to use substitution. This will be another harder problem on the test, in my opinion. Substitution. Oh, a little glitchy. Okay. I'm going to get y by itself by adding x, and it'll be x plus 1. I'm now going to substitute that in for this guy. Okay, so it's an x squared plus x plus 1 squared equals 41. The second guy here, I'm going to have to double distribute. So that's x squared plus, this will be x squared plus x, that's 2x when you do the O and the I, plus 1 equals 41. Now I have 2x squared plus 2x. I'm going to subtract the 41 to get 0 on one side. Minus 40 equals 0. I'm going to divide everybody by 2. I get x squared plus x minus 20 equals 0. This does factor. So it's an x plus 5 and an x minus 4, which means x can be negative 5 or x can be 4. So we're going to touch 2 times. If x is negative 5, you plug it in here. You can plug it right here. And y is going to be negative 5 plus 1. Y will be negative 4 when x is negative 5. And you plug in this 4, y equals 4 plus 1, y equals 5 when x equals 4. So there are two answers, negative 5, negative 4, and 4, 5. Okay, last one. This one, we are going to do elimination. It's already ready to go. We're just going to add up the two guys here. And I'll get 2x squared equals 200. If you add these two guys together, the y's will be eliminated. Divide by 2, and x squared is 100. Square root both sides, and you get x equals plus or minus 10. So you get two answers for x. So x equals 10 or x equals negative 10. Now, when you plug this back in, you're going to find out you're going to get 2 for y as well. So when you plug in x equals 10, let's do it into this first guy. Oh, maybe I won't because of the y in this one going to give me 0. Let's look. Looks like 10 squared plus y squared is 100. That's 100. Plus y squared is 100. Yeah, y squared is going to be 0 after you subtract 100. Square root, and you get plus or minus 0, but that just is 0. If there was a plus or minus, you would have had to have 10, 0 and 10, negative 0, but there's no such thing as negative 0. Okay, same thing's going to happen when you plug in the negative 10 squared. We're going to get 0 again. So y is 0 on that one. So there's just two answers on this one, 10, 0 and negative 10, 0. Okay. So that is it for your Chapter 7 test review. Take good notes on that. And then you get 3 tries at the test, but you don't want to take 3 tries. You just want to try to get it done in the first try. So if you want to take pictures of your work, you can do that as well in case you get close to a grade you like.